ride the glass elevator.
Can't wait for the next anime season.
I don't know where we're riding this, but we're gonna ride it.
The next anime season is
Here it is. Wait, what? They took the windows out? Why? Used to be windowed. You gotta be kidding me. Maybe there's some windows somewhere.
Maybe as we're going down, the walls will open. You'll have windows.
And yeah, that's a KONE voice for you. I don't know, man. I don't think. Yeah. Beautiful empty parking garage at 1 a.m.
Oh, look,
Darn.
there's that famous hotel.
Oh
It's a
yes.
very cool hotel. I like it.
There it is.
Let's just stay there for the night.
Do jumping jacks? Wait, what? Wait. Yeah. Well, welcome to the top of Denver Airport's external parking garage. Let's ride the different elevator. Maybe the other ones are glass.
I really doubt it.
What happened to...
Okay.
I could have sworn they had glass elevators here.
Yes, let's go back to the hotel.
Hotel parking. Let's go down.
Okay, just get 1,000.
Oh shit!
1,000 subscribers on videos of elevators. Yeah, pretty interesting, man. Yeah.
I was just watching a YouTube about dude speaking. He knows Chinese, Arabic,
Black man.
Yeah.
Well, darn, I was really
I
anticipating.
just watched it. It was like, I was like, what?
I was anticipating that this would be a glass elevator. What the heck?
It was not. It lied to you.
No, darn elevator did people's lied. Hey, oh, that elevator's on -5. Would you look at that?
I didn't know that we were.
Nice.